Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove VW Jetta headliner, full guide. Begin by disconnecting the battery to prevent airbag faults, then clear seats and protect upholstery with covers. Gather tools like trim pry tools, Torx drivers, and a flashlight. Work slowly around pillars, sun visor mounts, and overhead lights to avoid bending or cracking clips. Keep removed screws in labeled containers so reinstallation is organized and stress-free. Start by removing sun visors and vanity lights to expose mounting points, then support the headliner while you unclip pillar trims. Use plastic pry tools to avoid scratching panels and keep screws sorted in labeled containers. Carefully detach any wiring connectors and route them away from the work area to prevent snags. When lowering the headliner, have a friend help to prevent creases and to maintain control of the large, fragile panel. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more car DIY content. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and double as great bins for screws and small trim pieces, keeping your work area tidy. They seal tightly so parts won't spill and are stackable for small garages. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Handle the headliner on a flat, clean surface to inspect for sagging or adhesive failure, and decide whether repair or replacement is best. If reusing the panel, store it flat to avoid warps and support any weak areas with temporary clamps while adhesive sets. Use a high-temperature automotive spray adhesive for a smooth reattach, and allow full cure time before reinstalling lights and trim to prevent future sagging or separation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.